Hello class, I bring to you two questions today. Both the questions are on electrostatics and they go as I indicate. What being given, the first one is there is a drawing and then literature. The drawing is of the kind, there is a cell, this cell of certain value is connected to a charge capacitor. Is having some charge initially, you can mark it as CE and minus or negative of CE, or negative positive are being interchanged. So this is plus and this plus is minus. We have a circuit completion with another capacitor over here, a switch. And then this is connected to a cell with another switch. This is the cell with another switch connected this way. This is a connection given to us. Switches are being marked as S1, S2, S1, S2. And we have A, B. A is for this capacitor and B is for this capacitor. The language of the question, both being E, is being marked E, so this. Language of the question says that two identical capacitor A and B, both having same capacitance C, are connected with battery of EMF E as shown in the figure. Initially, both switches S1 and S2 are open, and initially capacitor B has a charge of C coulomb as shown in the figure. Now what we are being told is capacitor A is uncharged. Now switch S1 is closed and S2 remains open till capacitor A becomes fully charged. Then S1 is open and S2 is closed till the flow of charge through battery is stopped. This process constitutes one cycle. The cycle is repeated. We are to find here first the charge on the capacitor B after second cycle, the total work done by battery Q in 5 cycles, and the potential difference across the capacitor B if cycle is repeated for infinite time. Let us see what all being given to us. It's negative of C, plus of C is of course the charge already there, and the other one is uncharged. So what will happen when you go for the process, which is entailing switch S1 is closed and S2 remains open. So you close S1 with S2 open. What will happen to capacitance? This capacitor, same capacitance, with same capacitance, what is to happen over here? It will become plus of CE, and this will become negative of CE. This is when you have closed S1, S2 is open. So this is what we get to see in the first part of the cycle. Then they say that what you have to do next is, here S1 is closed, S2 remains open. So now switch S1 is closed and S2 remains open till the charge to the battery is stopped. So in first case, this being done, what you do next? It is being charged now, S2 was kept open, S1 was closed, you get to this. Next you are to decouple it. Decouple it means what we have to do, S1, S2 are given to us. We are to remove now, you see. In first go, what charge flows through it is an obvious. You get a charge C, and C is what you get over there. Next what we have to do, I have to connect this one. So we open S1, I circle back on the language of the question. Now, as shown in the figure, switches S1 and S2, and then what it says, I'm reading again for you. Capacitor B is charged to C. Capacitor B is already charged to C. And then, what we have to do? We have to close S1, S2 remaining open till fully charged. Then S1 is open and S2 closed. Now what do? You open S1. So this S1 is now open. Let me remove that. S1 is open now. This is already charged because the first was S1 to be closed, S2 open. Now S2 is closed. If If S2 is closed, what happened to the capacitance? We don't know. So let me say that there is some charge which will flow through it, and this charge will go to this. This becomes what to me? This becomes plus Q to me, and this becomes negative of Q to me. The same charge will flow over here. This will become plus of Q, right? And this will become this. This can be written as negative of CE plus Q. Check here. We are assuming Q has flow. We want to find Q from here to here. If I go minus of E plus of Q by C, yeah, plus of Q by C, C same, and then plus of CE plus Q by C. This should be equated to 0. We start our journey from here. We are coming back to this point, completing our journey. S1 is open, S2 closed. We are aware of it. From here, we get the value of Q. See for yourself what you get: Q, C, C. Gone, you get Q as now Q by C. This one, what? This is minus of E, plus of E. Check. Everything in constant, nothing will be lost. Charge on this will be E plus Q. This one will be okay. Q by C. From here, what do we get? E and E. What do we get to see from here? It's lagging again, it seems. It started lagging just a moment.